go. You help me?
Help me.
Okay, you help me. Help you. You ready?
Ready?
Oh, God is resurrected. Okay, ready? Open that up. There we go. Grab your popsicles. Grab your popsicles. Hurry, it's cold up here. Just do this one. Oh, you want those? Okay. Oh, thank God there's one left. Shut the door. Shut the door. We'll both duck under it. Shut it. Overhead duck.
Oh, we just barely missed it.
Got it? Alright. Hold on. Hold on, I got your popsicle. Hurry up and eat this and get some energy. Yeah. Eat another one. Eat some more until your brain hurts. That's the only time it's fun. Hurry. For Mom eats it. Don't show her that. Eat it.
No.
The neighbors are watching.
Are you ready to sing now?
No.
No. Here.
No.
Hold on. Dismount.
No. I'm full.
You're full. Then I'll eat that.
Mom, Dad. I can't take you.
I can get it.
I can't take you.
You bite it. Here, grab it. Not that. This. What part do you want to eat? Oh, you want to eat that?
Yeah.
Okay. Eat that.